Bit of a late start as per usual. Got everything loaded up and we're gonna get through hump day the right way. What is this? No! Rain on me now. Oh boy. Okay, we finally made it. Drive took quite a bit longer than I thought it would, but we're finally out here now. The rain seems to have died off. I'm gonna try and look over on that side of the reserve. I usually end up over there, but I'm a bit sick of that spot because I've been there the last few times. So we're gonna do a bit of exploring, bit of race tracking, and yeah, we'll see how we go. Probably replace that one. So I've been riding for probably an hour now. I found literally no tracks. There was one spot and I saw a kangaroo just sitting there staring at me. I think it's time to cut my losses, take a U-turn and see if I can get back to some of the tracks that I do know. Four-wheel drive tracks are no fun. Well, guess someone lost their keys here. I've got the time. Well, made it back to the car. That last piece of track was actually kind of fun. It was pretty fast, pretty flowy. Still made for a four-wheel drive though, so it was a bit big and open, but now that we're back to the car, we've still got probably 2 hours before sundown, so we're gonna go out and see if we can hit some of the old reliables. Races. Today's cuisine, we had some pepperoni and cheese roll. Not gonna lie, a bit average, but you know, can't always win. Gotta have them bad rolls to make the good rolls better. So, we're about 45 kilometers in. Feels so much better to be back on some single tracks that I actually know. The temperature's dropping sort of quick. It's starting to get a bit chilly out here. I've probably got about an hour left of riding and then it's gonna be time to pack up and start heading back to the car so I can not be lost in the dark. Also, check this out. This part of the forest is covered in just giant rocks of marble everywhere. So I'm doing some drone flying. Just your standard day in the office. I'm about 500 meters away and I just happened to be above the road at the time. And then all of a sudden, the drone said, low voltage warning, landing immediately. So I'm 500 meters away with the trailer on the back and my drone starts coming down over the middle of the road. So I jump back in the car and I absolutely send it down. At the moment, I'm just pulled over on the side of the road here somewhere. Like, just whipped it into the dirt about 80 k's an hour, land on the brakes, ran out, and the drone had tried to land in a tree and he just stopped himself above the tree and I managed to grab it out of the air. Okay, so I just pulled off from that spot and I remembered I left the batteries, I left the case, I left all my spare filters and stuff on the roof. I'm about to get out and see if they're still there. Oh no. Oh, it's all gone. I think I just saw something back here. Right, one carry case located. Oh my god, no. It's the filter case. It's the case, but there's nothing here. They're all gone. No. Oh no. One of the batteries. Or what's left of one. Battery. Ah. Still works. Nice. Alright, the bike's nice and clean. About to get back on the road. Start this big old trip back to Melbourne.